I alone. If you have a fake friend, how publicly in the room they make a gun flow. That while competing the work because they can be a distraction and when it ends again where they
3.
create your perfect study area. Will you study you need to do in a place where there are not so many distractions of one of these places can be the library because it does not have much noise. Another could be your room if you do it in your room. Attempts to remove all the things that you think are going to distract you. Get some sleep. If you think you can study and need you studying to do well on the exam, it should not because it will be very tired and your brain will not be able to take the sun it necessary to sleep 8 hours.
3.
Take a break. Study it for every hour. You should take a break of 15 minutes and that your brain gets tired quickly and may not be have much information bored.
Ya.
The break can to things like take an apport to different things to study.
3.
This way your brain will be more rested and able to collect better and faster information.
This paragraph is talking about the essential rules and study materials. To me, an excellent presentation of anything, not to fall in excuses.